Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you the easiest way to create your own music and song using 4 different AI tools. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate that anyone can create their own music and song, even without knowledge about music. You can use your music and song for your content creation or even sell them. However, please make sure to read and follow the rules from each AI software carefully. So, let's get started. 1. Beatbot AI. Beatbot is a new AI music and song generator that is currently in beta version and free to use. To create your song, you just need to describe what your song is about, the song mood, and the music genre. Type in the prompt input and click the Generate button to start creating your song. You can change the song lyrics by clicking the Edit button and click Save after you have done editing. After everything is okay, you can download the full video, audio, or just its instrumental music only. 2. Mubert AI. To create music using Mubert AI, you can type in your custom prompt about your music, or you can use their pre-made genres, moods, and activities. In the free trial mode, you can generate a maximum of 45 seconds per music. After everything is set, click the Generate Track button to start the music generation process. 3. Boomy AI. To start creating music using Boomy AI, you need to create an account. After that, click the Create Your Song button to start creating your music. First, select your music style, and you can also play sample music for each style before continuing. Click Create Song to start generating your music. If you don't like the result, you can click Try again to generate another one. After you have found the best one, click the Save button to save your music. Now you can add your own vocal by directly recording your voice, or you can also upload your voice. 4. VoiceMod AI. VoiceMod is a free AI tool for audio and music editing. To start creating your song using VoiceMod, go to the Text to Song page and click the Create Content button. Click the Create a Song button to continue. Currently, VoiceMod only allows you to create your song using their pre-made music templates. Please share with me in the comments section if you know of another tool for AI song creation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.